Dakka, also known as Vietnamese turmeric fish with dill, is a recipe that originated in North Vietnam in Hanoi by a family in the late 1800s. It's the only Vietnamese recipe that I know of that has dill in it, as it's not a common herb in Vietnamese cuisine. Traditionally, this is used with catfish. However, you can use any kind of flaky fish like halibut or tilapia. Today I'm using halibut. So to start off, we'll marinate it with kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, and fish sauce, and shrimp paste. And if you're not familiar with shrimp paste, it has a very pungent smell to it. And fermented rice, however, you can easily substitute it with yogurt. It's just used to tenderize the meat. And fresh turmeric, peeled and finely minced. And I usually like to smash it just to release all the flavorful oils. I do the same with ginger. Side note, you might want to use gloves to handle turmeric only because it will stain your fingers. So recently our family was in Vietnam and I was so bummed that I couldn't go to the original Dakka restaurant, which is Dakka La Bum, as our itinerary was so jam-packed that I couldn't even squeeze it in. That just means I have to go back to Hanoi. So my recipe does call for fresh galangal. However, I couldn't find it this time around, so instead I used chopped lemongrass. Add a turmeric powder to the marinade mix and then massage the marinade into the fish. Then prepare your aromatics, which is going to be sliced onions along with green onions that'll be cut into 1-inch pieces. I'm actually not a big fan of dill, and my family isn't either. However, we don't mind it in this dish. So discard the stems and then do a very rough chop. I like to use the cast iron skillet to fry up my fish. When using a cast iron, just always make sure that the pan is super hot before you add the oil. That way the fish doesn't stick to the pan. And you're going to want to do this in 2 batches just so that your fish will nicely brown and not be piled on top of each other and then it becomes steamed instead. And when you're doing your second batch, just make sure to add additional oil to the pan. And then after you're done cooking your fish, then you're going to start cooking your aromatic. That is adding your onions and your green onions to the pan and tossing it and cooking it for a couple of minutes until the onions soften. Then add the rest of your fish back into the pan along with any juices and cook for an additional couple of minutes. Then remove the pan from the heat and add your chopped dill and green onion oil along with fried shallots and crushed peanuts, which gives it a nice crunch. Additionally, you eat this with vermicelli noodle salad. So you just cook vermicelli noodles, add lettuce, whatever herbs you want. I love fish mint leaves. My husband absolutely hates this. It has a very strong flavor. It kind of tastes like fish. Hence why it's called fish mint leaves. And add shredded carrots. I usually love to add bean sprouts. I didn't have any this time. Add your fish, pour in fish dipping sauce, and you have yourself a meal. Enjoy.